Before you begin installing your locking cover, follow all of the standard pool winterization procedures, ensuring all ladders and accessories are removed, you have the correct water chemistry, you have blown out your plumbing lines and disconnected any large equipment. Once the pool water has been drained and the return lines in your skimmer and return jets have been plugged, you can begin installing the cover. Pull the locking cover across the pool. 2 or more people working together is best. Be sure to start at opposite sides of the pool. To lock the cover in place, pull the edge and fit the bead into the track of the coping. It helps to pull the cover up over the track, then firmly pull it down into place, the same way you would install a vinyl liner. You can pull and shift the cover as needed to reposition it and ensure it is properly installed. If your cover isn't stretching enough, or if it's colder outside while you're installing your locking cover, you can pour hot water on the material to make it easier to manipulate and fit into the track. If you have a built-in step, place the raised step cover over your walk-in steps once your cover is in place. Add water bags on top of the step cover as needed to hold it in place. Insert your liner lock bead wedge into the lock-in track around the pool as you secure the cover. It will keep the cover in place as you get closer to finishing. Don't forget to make sure your cover is properly attached to the step cover as well. Ensure there are minimal gaps around the corners. If you notice significant gaps, it may be time to think about replacing your locking cover.